Hello everyone, myself Subin Christian from PharmD third year studying at Maliba Pharmacy College. Today I am here to share you some details of the drug named Desmopressin. So let's go to the content first. These are the contents that I want to share with you regarding the drug Desmopressin. History, introduction, class and category, brand available, alternatives, pharmacokinetics, therapeutic uses, mechanism of action, side effect as well as adverse effect, contraindication, drug-drug interaction, dose and route of administration, counseling points, as well as certain MCQs. So let us understand what is the historical background of the drug desmopressin. In 1772, William Usen, the British anatomist and physiologist, noted that the blood which was collected under the stress clotted very rapidly and very easily. An important step forward was made when the drug desmopressin was used for prevention and treatment of the bleeding, first during the dental extraction and secondly during surgery of mild hemophilia A or von Willebrand disease. Unlike the natural antidiuretic hormone, desmopressin produces little or no vasoconstriction, no increase in blood pressure, and no contraction of uterus or GI tract, and so it was well tolerated when administered to humans. Surgery was performed without blood products, demonstrating that autologous factor VIII was increased in plasma by desmopressin as it could effectively replace homologous factor contained in blood products. These clinical trials were soon being confirmed. Now let us know what is this desmopressin. Desmopressin is a class of medication called hormones. It is a man-made form of normal human hormone arginine vasopressin. In 1977, 1D-amino 8D-arginine vasopressin, abbreviated DDAVP, derivative of antidiuretic hormone, was used for the first time to treat patients with hemophilia A and von Willebrand disease, which is the most frequent congenital bleeding disorder. Desmopressin, GDAVP, a synthetic analog of 8-arginine desmopressin, is a drug modified by deamination of 1 cysteine and substitution of 8-levoarginine by 8-dextroarginine. Desmopressin acetate is an antidiuretic as well as antihemorrhagic drug that is used to treat bedwetting, central cranial diabetes insipidus, and increased thirst and urination caused by head surgery or head trauma. Let us see the classification of antidiuretics. Antidiuretic hormone and its analogues, natriuretics, miscellaneous. Alternative to desmopressin for the therapy of diabetes insipidus include synthetic vasopressin. Certain non-hormonal agents include chlorpropamide, carbamazepine, clofibrate, thiazides, as well as NSAIDs. Among these, clofibrate is no longer available in US markets. Certain brand available in India, Eduretin, that is from a Ranbaxy company, Devoid nasal spray by Sun Pharma. You can see the chemical structure as well as chemical formula here. Pharmacokinetics. Let us understand about the pharmacokinetics of the drug desmopressin. The sublingual administration of desmopressin is expected to be an alternative to the intranasal route with advantages to children and to patients with allergic or chronic rhinosinusitis. Administration is normally done by intranasal, sublingual tablets or intravenous. Peak plasma concentration was approximately 4.00 picogram per ml. Bioavailability is 3.3 to 4.1%. Half-life was found to be 3.3 to 4.5 hours intranasal. Excretion is through urine. Let us understand the therapeutic uses of the drug. Diabetes insipidus, von Willebrand disease, anuresis, acquired hemophilia, abnormal uterine bleeding, hemorrhagic stroke. Bedwetting. Desmopressin is used to treat nocturnal enuresis. It is usually prescribed in the form of desmopressin acetate. It is given in the dose of 0.2 mg orally before the bedtime. Desmopressin is also used in bleeding disorders. Some bleeding disorders are von Willebrand disease. Before that, let us understand what is this disease. People with von Willebrand disease either lack or have insufficient level of clotting factors. When they get injured, it takes long time for the blood to clot and stop bleeding. Desmopressin is usually the first line treatment for mild to moderate type 1 von Willebrand disease, generally not recommended in 2B and type 3 von Willebrand disease. The dosing range: IV 0.3 mcg per kg by slow infusion. Hemophilia. Desmopressin is also recommended in mild hemophilia A. It may be used for both bleeding due to trauma, also tried to prevent bleeding due to surgery. It is not effective in the treatment of hemophilia B or severe hemophilia A. May also be used in uremia-induced bleeding. Let us understand how it is used in diabetes insipidus. Desmopressin is used in treatment of central diabetes insipidus as a replacement for the endogenous antidiuretic hormone that is insufficient quantity due to decreased or non-existent secretion or production of ADH by the posterior pituitary or hypothalamus respectively. It is also used in diagnostic workup for diabetes insipidus. Desmopressin is not effective at treating nephrogenic DI, thus a positive response is generally indicative of central diabetes insipidus. The dosing range: for 3 to 12 years children, intranasally given 5 to 30 mcg per day, and if bigger than 12, intranasally 10 to 40 mcg per day. It is given orally 0.5 mg twice daily, and if subcutaneous, then 1 to 2 mcg twice per day. Let's understand the mechanism of action of the desmopressin. It is a synthetic vasopressin analog which acts specifically on V2 receptor that is present in renal tubular cell, responsible for the antidiuretic effect of the hormone. When it is bounded to the V2 receptor in the kidney, it increases tubular water permeability, enhances water reabsorption, and makes the urine concentrated. Let's know the pharmacological action. It acts by mimicking the action of endogenous ADH. Desmopressin acts as selective agonist for V2 receptors expressed in renal collecting duct to increase the water reabsorption and reduce the urine production. It also reduces the amount of urine produced in the body at night. This means that the bladder then fills with less urine during the night. Desmopressin is degraded more slowly than while vasopressin may cause arterial hypertension. Several studies have shown that desmopressin does not stimulate recombinant vasopressin, and it also requires less frequent administration. In addition to that, it has a little effect on blood pressure, adrenocorticotropic hormone release, except in Cushing's disease, and therefore does not directly raise pressure. Additionally, desmopressin is able to enhance ACTH and cortisol release in normal human following corticotropic releasing hormone administration, but not in patients with anorexia nervosa. The certain side effects of the drug are headache, nausea, flushing of face, stomach pain, loss of appetite, vomiting, loss of consciousness, and seizures. Dose and administration of desmopressin. Injectable solution 4 mcg per ml. If it is given oral tablet, then the dose is 0.1 mg, else 0.2 mg. Nasal spray Stimet 1.5 mg per ml. It delivers 150 mcg per spray. Preservative free nasal spray Noctiva 0.83 mcg of desmopressin acetate per zero point 0.1 ml. It is equivalent to 0.75 mcg of desmopressin. Now, when it is given sublingual, Nocturna, 27.7 mcg of desmopressin acetate, that is equivalent to 25 mcg of desmopressin. Now let us understand the drug-drug interaction. It should not be given with tricyclic antidepressant, carbamazepine, chlorpromazine, and indomethacin, as they may potentiate antidiuretic action of desmopressin. Although the pressor activity of desmopressin acetate is very low, its use with other pressor agents should be done only with careful patient monitoring. Contraindication: patient with moderate to severe renal impairment, patient with hyponatremia, cystic fibrosis, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, chronic heart failure, psychogenic polydipsia. Certain counseling points: one should limit the fluid they drink after dinner, especially 1 hour before the desmopressin dose, until the next morning, or at least 8 hours after the dose. Avoid alcohol, especially before bedtime. Avoid coffee, energy drink, and other caffeinated drinks. Now let us go to the MCQ. The antidiuretic action of desmopressin is due to the activation of answer is V2 receptor. Which of the following is the side effect of desmopressin? Answer is all of the above. Desmopressin is used in treatment of except. The answer is D, none of this. Which drug is used as alternative to desmopressin? Answer is A, chlorpropamide. Which drug is no longer available in US market? Answer is C, clofeprate. You can check the answers here. Thank you.